everyone, in my today's video I would like to talk about high frequency direct method. We know two methods, high frequency direct and indirect. I will be only showing you the high frequency direct and how to do that treatment at home. I will demo completely the procedure for you, how to prepare the skin and what products to use. I will be using the mushroom heads, but you can use any other wounds you have. I've been teaching that treatment. Obviously, we have school for beauty therapists, aestheticians, and I've been teaching many people how to use it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more videos based on machines, reviews, products, benefits of everything. If it's just like really realistic feedback on what I think after 14 years of experience in that industry. And also wanted to say that you are more than welcome to ask me any questions you have in the section below. You can also reach out to me over Instagram or just write an email with anything. As soon as I have time, I'll reply to you. I usually take about 2 days to reply. So this is my machine. It's from Carlton Professional. We use it for the school trainings, and this is a professional company manufacturing machines for like schools, clinics, etc. Carlton, and basically it's really simple device, quite light. We have the handle here in which we will insert the actual electrodes, and we have only that switch, and when we turn it up we basically have the machine on already, but of course first we need to plug it in. And those are the electrodes. There are different shape electrodes. I'm gonna be going through those here now, but there are different shapes and they all have different names. For example, those 3 are just different sizes, but we call them mushroom heads because the shape. So mushroom heads. Also we have, this one is for the neck, we call it horseshoe. So there are also other ones which are, for example, for more like smaller areas or like around the eye area, and it really depends on whatever you have, but they all do the same job really, so you can have the same effect from them, but it's just more easier to use. So what has happened here is basically the air from the tubes has been taken out and inserted in with the different type of gas. So we have 2 types of gases for 2 types of gases, which are having of course different benefits on the skin, which I will talk a bit later. But we have the either argon gas, the blue or violet one, or either the neon one, which is the yellow like orangey gas inside. They have different benefits on the skin. With the argon one we have more antibacterial effect on the skin, drying effect of the skin, so it's very good for oily skin, for congested skin, clogged port skin. So it's really good to do that treatment after extraction. So you do extraction, and after the extraction you will be going over with the let's say mushroom head over the area, which I'll show in a second. And you also will really have the benefits that will dry the sebum, will have the antibacterial effect on the skin. With the neon one, which is the orangey kind of yellowish color, we're gonna have more anti-aging properties, anti-aging benefits on the skin, creating warmth, creating we will be stimulating more the cells producing collagen and elastin, will improve the circulation as well, which means that will bring fresh nutrients on the surface of the skin, and that will result in glowing, fresh looking, youthful skin. So we have the high frequency current inside, and when in contact with the skin, the actual mushroom head in contact with the skin, the electrodes will start discharging from the glass, and once discharged, we'll have that jumping of electrodes, but once they're discharged, they will be mixing with the oxygen in the air. When the gas mixed with oxygen, we're gonna have O3, which is the ozone. Ozone in the periodic table is O3, isn't it? So the ozone has that antibacterial, we all know that ozone has antibacterial properties when used on the skin. The more space we create from the skin, the more stronger the treatment will be. So the actual jumping will be higher, the benefit will be better. We start with cleanse. So I have just washed my face. It's perfectly clean and dry. I don't want to apply anything on my skin, and this is the, for me, the best way, really. I don't like to put anything. Okay, so I will be using the argan one, which is good for oily skin, and I'm going to use like that tiny little gauze. I can fold it if I want it to be stronger, but I don't want to, so I'm just literally, what I'm going to do is just literally doing this, and I will use elastic band to just tighten at the back, because when I have the gauze it will be really easy to glide. I don't know if you can see it, but it's purple, little bit purplish. I can see it, yeah. So I can smell it, I can smell the ozone. So I'm just literally, I'll put this and I'm literally going to apply it on my skin on the side. With the little one, I can go more over like areas like around the nose, like little bit closer here to the eyes, you know, lips here. I mean, it's just a little bit more precise because it's tiny. So I will just literally wrap it again with the same one. So it will be a little stronger even. Hold it here, that's fine. It's better for around the nose. I really can go here. Spark. Good. It's done, so I will just remove this. The mask. It has vitamin C, A and E, which are powerful antioxidants. Overall have really anti-aging effect, will reduce any dullness of the skin and will help with hydration too. I just washed off my mask and I'm going to tone my skin with the hydrogen paste. So I'm going to use the eye cream. The antioxidant serum, which is really good to protect my skin from free radicals, from pollution, from dirt, from bacteria. It's perfect. Like this. By the cream. Just at the moment I'm going to use this cream. I want Relax Gel. Plus, it's also really good for pigmentation. It's really strong. I'm gonna open that one here and there. It has a little bit of color, but it's not foundation. It just has a little bit of color. For my neck, I'm using that sunscreen. Dr. Schrammek, because I don't want the tinted one to go on my neck, and just in case my clothes will get dirty. So just a little bit like this. Nivea, just really, you can use any. If you think you would like to see more videos like that and teaching you how to do treatments at home, talking about different products, and just really like educating you, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be really happy to help. You can ask any questions in the comment section below, and I hope I will see you soon in my next video. Thank you very much for watching.